Here's a video of how I made this Boubou gown with fabric fringe. Alright, so come with me as we sew this together. From our previous video, you saw how we cut this cream color fabric. If you've not seen it, I'll drop a link in the description box. So you place your right side facing right side, place the neckline together, and then you sew with 1/2 inch allowance. And after sewing, you notch, then you iron. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. That was for the back. Then move on to the front. Same thing, right side facing right side. I pinned the middle part so that it doesn't move or shift. Then as usual, you sew with 1/2 inch allowance. When you get to the middle point where the V is, you stop, raise your footer, and then adjust your fabric so you can get it right. And then you continue sewing with 1/2 inch allowance and notch. Basically, the reason you are notching is so that after sewing, everything will be relaxed. Okay, I didn't film the parts where I flipped it over, where I flipped the right side together. So after flipping it, the next thing you do is to match it to the main fabric. You already know the design what we are recreating, and then you sew. You can either fold the hem with 1/2 inch allowance or 0.25, depending on how many inches you left to fold. And then you fold everything. You do the same thing for the back. And this is what we have. I removed the pins, and then I moved on to joining the shoulder. Place the back side and the front side together, right side facing right side, and then you sew with 1/2 inch allowance. After which, I folded the sleeve hem. You know, it's a cut together Boubou gown, so I folded the sleeve hem with 1/2 inch allowance. You can fold with 1 inch or 1.5, depending on how many inches you left. But me, I folded with 1/2 inch allowance, and I sew. Make sure your lines are straight. Emphasis on make sure your lines are straight. And then you sew and sew and sew. Repeat the same thing for the other side, and then you join the sides with 1/2 inch allowance. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.